might go around this way. We're on the Darling River in the Conchinga National Park. That river is very muddy. Pays to have your tools with you along the way, because we are in the middle of nowhere.
Find your legs, Jeff?
Yep.
I can't find Joe's. I just pumped it up.
You can sort of see where all the mud is.
Parked up here at Menindee Lakes, so we're just cleaning bikes and cars and anything else. Good morning. We have said goodbye to Joanne and Brad. We've been in Broken Hill for the last few days with them. They've had to go back to Sydney. We've been trying to get up the Darling River, but due to all the flooding, we're a bit stuck. So we've headed back to the Menindee Lakes area, and we're going to hang here for a few days.